I use this BH Cosmetics, which I've had it for a long time. Shout out to my cousin Lily. She got it for me. She let me have it. I've literally been using like this here. I don't even know what color it is, but I've always used this. So I switch it up. So I may just use like the brown pencil and see how it goes. So get my brows together. You can line my scarf if you want to. I'm trying to keep these edges laid slay, honey. Okay, so the brush that I have is the small angle brush, and this is from e.l.f. It is really, really thin. I actually love it. So what I do is just use the brush, the pencil, and just wipe some on there. Just keep on pushing it against it and try to make it. This is what I do, just to pinch to make it as skinny as possible, to draw my brows out. Let's see. And I just draw in all throughout my brows. It's actually filling in pretty decent right now too. Basically, I get the Pro Concealer, which I use all the time for every concealer cleanup. And I basically get my brows under together. So I basically put some on my hand and then just go from there. So, yes. And I just scope from the bottom, or I guess I've seen people do a certain way, so I don't know. People use brushes and stuff. That's for people who have the money to buy all of these other brushes. Just use this. That's what I'm using. Alright, I'll use that brush. So basically get the bottom together first and foremost. This is my go-to, and this is in the color Fawn, and this is the only concealer that I use from LA Girl Pro Conceal. I almost didn't say it right. This is the only one that I use. So this is how mine's be looking at the bottom. Yeah. And then get this together on this side. What side? Alright. Okay. So that's how I be looking before. And actually I have a max coverage concealer brush from Bare Minerals, which I've had for a minute. So I do sometimes use this too. And just try to be careful with getting the bottom so I don't mess nothing up, and just rub it in and stuff to get her together. So I really don't know. I'm like winging this makeup today because I have not picked out colors. I'm just basically winging it. I do have like a silver color that I want for my base, but that's the only thing that I have. So we shall see. we definitely shall see. So, yeah. Alright. So, just try to make it be blended in as possible. I know some people use the Beauty Blender brush too. I try not to do it too much on my eyes, like at the top where my brows are at, because I'm very clumsy and I will take my brows away and that'll be the death of me. So, that's how she look right now. If I do need to go back in to get my brows, I usually do it, which I see it on this side to try to, I know my hands look crazy. Okay. Ish. Okay. And the spoolie thing, majigga, yes, I need my brows done. Bad. Bought mine. Alright, and then some people use the concealer at the top of the brows. Most time I do. I'm probably gonna do that now. So, yeah. And then also go back over it with my foundation. So, I'm trying to get this. Okay. I don't need that like that. Okay. So to carve it or sculpt it, I don't even know what it is. Carve is when you have something else. So I kind of sort of got it cleaned up a bit. Ish. And then get this side. I usually just do like that. And just make them look like how my brows are supposed to look. Ish. I don't know why I do this. I just started. I've been doing it, but like that. And then the Beauty Blender to blend the stuff in. And just be gentle that you don't wipe the brows away, because that will be deadly. So, yep. So a lot of blending and pushing out. Alright, so I got this whole makeup. I don't even have a name on it no more. I don't even know where I got it from. But what I'm going to use is this color here. It's kind of like a grayish type thing. Like I said, I'm winging it, so hopefully I don't fucking look crazy today. So I did just put a lot. So yeah. So I was told you just do the outer lid and not too much. Which, okay. I'll tell you, Meek. I can definitely see it coming and forming. So this better be good. I don't know if this is supposed to be a smoky eye. I don't fucking know. I don't know. So, like I said, I'm winging it. Wish me luck, y'all. And then, oh, crazy. And then the windshield wiper lightly on the other eye. And basically putting concealer on the base. It's definitely on my lashes. I'm trying to kind of somewhat perfect it, but I don't know. Okay. I look so like out of place right now. So I've done it before, so I guess I'll like stop like right there. So I try to make it the same on this side. Oh, it's really on my lashes. Okay, like that. Huh. But I've been going to Dollar Tree. They have the LA Colors, the shimmering, I don't even know, shimmering loose eyeshadow. Dollar Tree. I done racked up. I know they getting tired of me coming in there, but it's a little thing. So I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Like I said, I'm winging this. I'm not a makeup artist by any means, but I know how to look decent when I go out on the guys. I got about an hour until I gotta leave. Until I gotta leave out. So yeah. I don't understand why this glitter is really being funny right now. Okay. There it is. It's a little bit more like some cocaine. Okay. So more in the lids. Wherever it's at. Actually, it's coming out cute. So yes, Meek. Yes. Alright. Okay. So that color that I had, the first one to go over my lid things, I'm pretty sure it was this one. And what I'm gonna do is just go over it lightly again, so it can cover that. It won't look too crazy, so it can blend in a little more. Whatever. And then the other side. Okay, so my phone is, my camera's acting real punkish. So, crazy. Ooh, be with me, force. So basically, I put, I'm always ashy. Mascara under my eyes. Basically. So under my eyes to get whatever bags I may or may not have. Yeah. So let that sit. I usually let it sit most of the time. And then I usually, for some reason, I don't know why I started doing here. I don't even know what the benefit of that. But I do it faithfully. And here for my beard. And then here for my mustache. What else do I do? And then the nose, I don't know, because for some reason I still be having to do it afterwards, but I don't even be using the concealer, so I do that. Look, just tribal shit. Yeah. There's a lot of glitter on my lashes. Okay, I kind of got my light back together. Now, I started in the middle, so it was good to kind of close your eyes. Ah! Goodness. But once again, I'm winging all of this shit, G. Like, this is fucking ridiculous. So I saw these dope. Gee, look at these lashes. I need somebody to sponsor me so I can learn how to do them and continuously put them. I really don't know if I want y'all to see me put these lashes on, because I tried to do it one time and try to record it. Epic fail. But I know she said to put some mascara on. On your lashes first. And also a makeup artist did tell me about, goodness gracious, about putting mascara on my eyes first, eyelashes first. So we're gonna do that. Whew, I'm not gonna try no more. So I've been trying to do them with my hands, and actually the tweezers do work. So I'm going to say to grip them in the middle. I was a nosy neighbor, so excuse me if I'm looking at my window a lot more. This hair bonding glue definitely works. I always use them for lashes, even when I suck at putting them on. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna put that on there like that. Ew. Okay. Oh, wish me luck. Definitely stinks. So I hope nobody come close to my face. Smell my eye. This nail glue is horrid. Horrid. Okay. Okay. We ready? So I already got the. So we're gonna put them close to the lashes. I need it to stick. Try not to blink too much. My heart is pounding because I don't want to mess these up. Okay. Looking good, Meek. Looking very good. My mouth is actually watering. I don't know why. I'm very nervous. Because I literally, if I just work on dressing up more for the day and for work, I think I'll master all of this. I really do think that I would. I know that I would. So. Okay. Oh. Doesn't look good. You hear me? You hear me? Bitch. So I've been wanting to try like liquid foundation, which I got some by the Black Radiance, and this is the cinnamon color. So I'm kind of hoping that it's not horrible. I kind of want to put some on my hand. And then this is wet, so okay. I have not worn like liquid foundation in so long, G, and I don't want it to check my face out. Have me looking crazy, okay? At all. So hopefully this works. Okay, look a little smooth. Okay, I'm literally rushing now. I thought I had enough time, but I think it was the shots and drinks that I was drinking too and trying to do all this extra stuff. So I did do my makeup. These lashes, honey, they set it off. I just took the braids that I had out of my head out.